Welcome to Cars Buddy, your ultimate companion in the universe of cars. Today, we're taking you deep inside one of Chevrolet's most elegant and powerful creations, the 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo 4-Speed. From its sleek vintage charm to its muscular performance, this car isn't just an automobile, it's pure American heritage. Studio microphone. Let's start with the stunning exterior, a smooth, soft mint green metallic finish, shining under the white showroom lights. Every curve tells a story of elegance and power. The chrome-lined front grille, the bold Chevy emblem, and the side trims reflect a craftsmanship that defined the 70s era. As we move around, the right and left side profiles reveal the long, sweeping design that made the Monte Carlo a true grand touring coupe. The rear, wide, confident, and beautifully detailed, completes this masterpiece. Every inch speaks of vintage luxury. Up front, those dual circular headlights add a touch of aggression balanced with class. The front bumper, polished to perfection, captures the classic Chevrolet aura. Notice the hand-finished detailing around the hood lines, it's like looking at moving art. The doors open wide into a black and purple interior, where classic meets comfort. Soft leather seats, elegant chrome knobs, and vintage wooden dashboard trims instantly transport you back in time. The steering wheel, a perfect blend of vintage design and modern control, gives you that commanding feel of the open road. Everything inside whispers luxury. Beneath the hood lies the real heart of the beast, a V8 4-speed manual powerhouse. This engine doesn't just start, it roars. Its sound is pure nostalgia, the kind of growl that makes your heart race. Even after decades, this Monte Carlo proves that true performance never fades. Now, enjoy the full 360 degrees view, front, back, left, right, every angle crafted to perfection. In this white showroom, the reflection of its light mint body contrasts beautifully with the black-purple interior. It's luxury redefined, timeless and rare. The 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo 4-Speed is more than just a car, it's a memory on wheels. A masterpiece that continues to shine even after 50 years. If you love classics that blend elegance with raw power, this Monte Carlo will steal your heart. Subscribe for more vintage legends, and let's keep the golden era of automobiles alive.